Hey guys, welcome to one of our last weeks of class. During this week, we're going to jump back into our My Country project, which is, we're going to take a look at our unit on progress for that. So I just wanted to take a minute and have you guys go through the directions real quick and kind of nest in your Google site. So go ahead and please pick up, open up a new tab, open up your My Country project, and follow along with this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and create a new page. And again, you do that by going over to the Pages tab, adding a new page. And you'll want to title it, this unit is Progress with a question mark. You can also go to my project resource page. You can get to that in Blackboard and go to the My Country project if you want to follow along at your own pace. But here's where I'm going to be taking you through. We've built our country. We've done democracy versus dictatorship. We've looked at world religions. And you guys want to navigate over to progress. Similar to the World Religion Project, you're going to be taking a look at some sort of invention from the Renaissance or Age of Exploration or from the Industrial Revolution. So you're going to think that your country kind of goes through some sort of renaissance or revolution for industry. Consider the people, culture, and economy of your country, which you've created in our first unit. You get to decide on what type of project you're going to create, but it must focus on one of the following: a closer look at inventions or a specific art piece from the Renaissance. You could maybe piggyback off of your fake book assignment. A closer look at inventions or ideas that came from the Age of Exploration, and then a closer look at inventions from the Industrial Revolution. So we kind of had three different sub-themes in our progress unit. You're just going to pick one to take a look at. Again, the project is going to be broken down into two parts. Part one is you're basically just picking a new invention that came out of either the Renaissance, the Age of Exploration, or the Industrial Revolution. I have some sample ideas here. For instance, the printing press, the compass, caravel, anything really by Leonardo da Vinci, the locomotive, the spinning jenny, the steam engine, the telegraph, cotton gin, Bessemer process, the assembly line, typewriter, anything else as long as it's within the scope of the time period. I really recommend that you use World Book Encyclopedia to complete some research on that particular technology. And again, if you're working from home, there's the username and password to get on World Book. You'll then create a poster, digital drawing, or Google slide presentation for part one. Try to include images, drawings, maps, and not just have it be text-based. Here are some of the questions that you should include in your research. Who's responsible for creating that invention? What's the person's background? Why did they create this invention? What's its overall purpose? When was it invented? What's the time period? What is the invention used for? Is this invention still used today? Has it changed over time? And how have inventions changed our world? This one's kind of a more global question that we're looking at. Part two, similar to the religion project, you're going to think about the impact that the invention has on your country, on the people of your country, or on society as a whole. I'm leaving this pretty broad and open because I want you guys to be able to get creative, and you all have different countries and economies and things like that. But just some things that you can consider. How has that invention had an impact on your country? And should your invention be considered progress for the people of your country? You're also free to create some sort of invention for your country, some sort of something that might have come out of the Industrial Revolution or the Renaissance, but try to explain the context as to why it was created and for what purpose. So connecting that invention to your people, your history, your government, or your dictator, or your democracy. This country project really should be building off of the previous units. Finally, here's kind of what a 4 looks like. The format was a physical or digital poster or Google slide presentation or something else approved by Mr. James. If you have any other ideas, reach out to me early and I can improve it. All of the above bullet points are included with detail. To kind of break it down, I would kind of see the, who as being like 1 or 2 slides, the what and why as 1 or 2 slides, and then this invention still used today as 1 or 2 slides of information. But again, you're getting creative. It's not just text-based. You have a source list and MLA format of the web pages you use. And then the part 2, we're looking for about 2 to 3 paragraphs of information explaining that connection to your country. So besides completing this PlayPosit, you pretty much have all week to work on this on the My Country project. I enjoy taking a step back and stopping readings and things like that. So in live class, we'll do a final notebook check for the semester, and I'll leave you some feedback on that. And you'll just have some individual work time to work on the My Country project. So come to live class ready to work on that.